Hello future doctors, how are you to all? Today we are going to discuss important chapter semiconductor electronics. We will discuss 5 questions here so that question will help you to getting best rank in this year in NEET exam. You will try to solve another question like that similar questions at your home. If you have any query, so you can make a comment below the comment box. I am always ready to help you. Now we are going to solve question number first from the chapter Semiconductor Electronic. This chapter is the most important chapter and numericals of this chapter is a very important. So please make a focus here. Question number first is, which of the following represent forward bias? Here given for configuration and they are asking which configuration showing forward bias. So remember one point. Whenever you will just see like this symbol, like this symbol, okay, don't be confused, like this symbol. So this big symbol is called p type semiconductor and this peak is called n types of semiconductor. Okay, so this p corner always showing the positive terminal, this n corner always showing the negative terminal. When both types of semiconductor making like this symbol, so that is called PN diode, PN junction diode, you can say like that. What you can say? PN junction diode. So it means this is the symbol of PN junction diode. So our concept is that if P means positive terminal connected with positive, okay, and this negative terminal is connected with negative, positive connected with positive, negative connected with negative. So this types of configuration is called forward bias. This types of configuration is called forward bias. Yes or no? Okay na? So now if you will just match, if you will just check like this configuration is here or not, so you will get your answer. Very simple. This types of side is P and this types of side N. So P means positive and means negative. Here also this type P and this type N. So this one positive and this one negative. Similarly here P N, it means positive, negative. Similarly here P N, this one positive and this one negative. So you can just check here. First, positive connected with positive connected with negative, okay, but here positive should be connected with positive. So positive connected with negative, it means this is a wrong. Here negative connected with negative, negative is okay, negative connected with negative, but positive should be connect with positive. Here you can check here also, positive connected with negative, so negative connected with positive, this is also wrong. Now here positive connected with positive, okay, very good, but negative also connected with positive, so this is also wrong. Yes or no? Here positive connected with 0 and negative connected with negative. Here is okay, negative connected with negative, but here positive connected with 0. What we can do? We can consider this option, this 0, as a positive terminal. So this types of configuration is showing forward biasing. So positive connected with positive, negative connected with negative. Here only one configuration is here that is showing this types of arrangement. So this is called the right answer of this problem. It means forward bias. This configuration is showing forward bias. Okay. So now suppose that examiner is a very clever. They will make a question paper like that. Here asking the forward bias, but they can also ask the reverse bias. What you will do? So remember, just see here. Okay. If suppose that if you having an arrangement like this, suppose that this one having a P, this one having a N. So P positive and this one negative. Okay. If this positive terminal is connected with the negative and this negative terminal connected with the positive, so this types of configuration is called reverse bias. So reverse bias. Okay, so if they will ask forward bias, so you will just match this types of configuration. If they are asking reverse bias, so you will match this concept. Okay, another point, in PN junction diode, if they are in forward biasing, so here positive connected with positive, negative connected with negative, so here current will flow easily. But here positive connected with negative, negative connected with positive, so that is not possible to flow current as following here. Yes or no? So option A is the right answer of this problem, of this question. They can make a change like this concept. So please train your brain like that, catch the concept, what they are asking. Now we are going to solve question number second. Now we are going to solve question number second from the chapter Semiconductor Electronics. This question is a most important question, so please make a focus here and read this question carefully. Question number second. The given circuit has two ideal diodes connected as shown in the figure. What they are telling? They are having a two diode D1 and D2. They are connecting like this. Okay, configuration. Okay. Now the current flowing through the resistance R1 will be, what they are asking, what is the value of current that is flowing through this R1. So we need to find. How we can find? Here given four option, which option is correct, we will see after solving this problem. Before solving this problem, you will just read that diagram. In that diagram, you will search which corner is showing forward biasing and which corner is showing reverse biasing. Because in forward biasing, there will be flow of current, but in reverse biasing, there will be no flow of current. So you can check here, okay. This one having a positive terminal, this one having a negative terminal. Largest line in na, so that is called positive terminal. This one is called negative terminal. Similarly, this one having a diode, so this one showing positive terminal, this one showing negative terminal. Here also, this one showing negative terminal, this one showing positive terminal. Okay, so now you can check in first box. Okay, negative connected with positive and negative here connected with this positive. It means negative connected with positive and positive connected with negative. So this types of biasing is called reverse biasing. So there will be no flow of current. We will not solve this corner. Okay, now next you can check second diode. Okay, so second diode, okay, second diode here positive, here negative. Positive connected with positive, okay, and negative connected with negative. So here this one configuration is showing forward biasing. So due to this diode, current will be flow. Okay, so current will be flow. So now we can solve this. So now you can see here solution. You can see here solution. We need to find current. We need to find current that is flowing through this R1. So here we consider the total resistance in this complete box. R1 here and here is R3. So complete resistance in this line is R1 2 ohm and R3 is equal to 2 ohm. So we will consider total resistance. So total resistance first we will consider R is equal to R1 plus R3 because this is showing the series combination. So 2 ohm plus 2 ohm, that is a 4 ohm total resistance. Yes or no? Here this one is showing the voltage, applied voltage. So V is equal to showing 10 volt. Yes or no? V is equal to showing 10 volt. So I we need to find. So you know very well, according to Ohm's law, you can apply here according to Ohm's law. Because according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR and I is equal to V over R. So you can just apply the value. What is the value of V? V having 10 and R having 4. Okay, so 4 ohm and 10 volt you can just cancel. So you will get 2.5 ampere. So current value will be 2.5 ampere. Which option is correct? You can see here option C is the correct answer of this problem. So now I am telling, in exam they can ask direct like this question, either they will make some change. So please make to train your mind to getting like this concept. Okay, definitely you will get good marks. When you will get good marks, definitely you will get good rank. So now we are going to discuss question number third. Okay, next question we will discuss. You can just solve like this. Now we are going to solve question number third from the same chapter, Semiconductor Electronic. This question is also most important question, so please make a focus on the board. So now question number third is, in the given figure, a diode capital D is connected to an external resistance R is equal to 100 ohm and EMF of 3.5 volt if the barrier potential developed across the diode is 0.5 volt, the current in the circuit will be. What they are telling? They are telling if there is a given 100 ohm resistance and they are having a diode D, so here potential barrier is 0.5 volt. If you are applying 3.5 volt across this circuit, so then what is the amount of current is flowing in this circuit? It means this corner. So now how we can find? Here given four option, which option is correct we will see after solving this problem. So you can just see here, you can just see here in diagram, if you are solving this problem, here to here there is a given one potential barrier, okay, and here is another potential, okay. So now here is the applying voltage. So how you can solve? You can solve that. First you will find the value of this V. When you will find this value of V, so you can write V is equal to, you are applying, you are giving this voltage toward this circuit, okay. So if you are applying this voltage, so 3.5 voltage you will minus, because 0.5 voltage is just standing here, so you can minus 0.5 volt. So V will be is equal to 3 volt final voltage, okay. So 3 volt, and resistance R is equal to given, R is equal to given 100 ohm, okay. So now you can apply by Ohm's law. Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So you can write I is equal to V upon R. So now you can apply the value of V and R. So you can write I is equal to, what is the value of V? V having this value 3, and what is the value of R? R having 100 ohm. So you can apply here 100, okay. So now you can write I is equal to 3 multiple 10 power minus 2 ampere. But in this given option there is not like this option. So how you will convert this option like this? So you will just make 1 0, you can multiply with 1 0, then you can write this power minus 3, okay. So 10 power minus 3 is basically showing the milli situation, yani milli condition, okay. So now you can write I is equal to 30 milliampere, okay. So which option is correct? You can check this option, which option is correct? 30 milliampere. So option B is the right answer of this problem. Option B is the correct answer. Now we are going to discuss next question, question number 4, okay. Now we are going to solve question number 4 from the same chapter, Semiconductor Electronic. This question is also most important question, so please read this question carefully. Question number 4. Consider the junction diode as ideal. The value of current flowing through AB is. What they are asking? What is the value of current that is flowing through A to B? How we can find the answer of this problem? Here given four options. Which option is correct we will see after solving this problem. So if we are going to start to solve this problem, to finding the value of current that is flowing through the A to B, so we need to find the value of current. So you know very well this types of arrangement, it means this diode is called PN junction diode. PN diode you can also say. It means positive connected with positive and negative connected with negative. So this is showing the forward biasing situation, so we can find the current. Either if there is not showing like this situation, so that is called reverse biasing, there will be no flow of current, okay. So now how we can solve? Solution. This one having a terminal, here voltage is 4 volt. So VA is given 4 volt. Okay, given that you can write given that. Okay, no problem. Okay, so at B terminal, so voltage given VB is equal to minus 6 volt. Yes or no? Now asking the value of current. I asking, and next situation is given resistance R given. So R given 1 kilo ohm. So you can write R is equal to 1 multiple 10 power 3 ohm. Okay, so like this, R also given. So we need to find the value of current. So value of current, to finding the value of current, you can just check here. To finding the value of current, how we can apply the formula? You know very well, V is equal to IR according to Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, you know this relation, you know very well this relation. Okay, so now we need to find current. So I is equal to V upon R. But here having a double V and VB, it means 2 voltage. So how you can write? I is equal to, you can write VA minus VB divided by R. So you can just write, you can just put the value. What is the value of VA? VA having a value 4 volt. So you can write 4 negative. And what is the value of VB? VB having a negative of 6 volt. So you can apply negative of 6 volt divided by, what is the value of R? R having this value 10 power 3. So you can just find I is equal to 4 minus minus plus 6. So 10 power 3. So it is showing 10 upon 10 power 3. So 1 0 will cancel it. So I will be is equal to 10 power minus 2 ampere. 10 power minus 2 ampere. Okay, you can solve it. So now you can just check which option is correct, which option is showing the same answer. Option C is showing the right answer of this question. Please make a practice at your home. If you have any query, any problem, make a comment below the comment box. I am always ready to help you. So now we are going to solve next question, means question number 5. Now we are going to solve question number 5 from the same chapter, Semiconductor Electronics. This question is also most important question. I am solving here 5 questions and this is the last question. All questions are most important. So please make a practice at your home after watching this video and try to solve similar problem. If you have any query, any problem, you can make a comment below the comment box. Now I am going to read question number 5. Question number 5 is, two ideal diodes are connected to a battery as shown in the circuit. The current supplied by the battery is, here having a two diode D1 and D2, and here also resistance given, voltage given, asking what is the value of current. Like this question we had already solved. So now here given 4 options, which option is correct, we'll see after solving this problem. So now how you can solve this problem? How you can solve this problem? So first you will check, here having a 2 box like this you can consider. So first you will see that forward biasing or reverse biasing situation. Whenever you will face like this problem, diode problem that connected with battery, so you will check the forward biasing or reverse biasing situation. Okay, because in forward biasing there will be flow of current, but in reverse biasing there will be no flow of current. Okay, so now this one having a positive, this one having a negative terminal, this one PN junction diode, so this one having a N, it means P, so this one having a negative, this one having a positive. So here this one having a P, this one having a N, so this one having a positive, this one having a negative terminal. Okay, so now you can check negative connected with positive, positive connected with negative, it means it is showing the reverse biasing situation. So current will not flow in this zone, in this loop. Okay, yes or no? Now this loop I am just checking first loop. So in first loop you are just checking positive connected with positive and negative connected with negative. So this types of configuration is showing forward biasing. So it means current will flow. So when current will flow, so you can just check here what is the total resistance. So here in this line, in this path, they're having a R only 10 ohm. Okay, and applied voltage having a V is equal to 5 volt. Okay, so asking the value of current. So how you can find? Apply the Ohm's law. Okay, so V is equal to IR. Okay, according to Ohm's law. Ohm's law you can apply here. So find the value of I, V over R. So I is equal to V having a 5 volt. So 5 divided by 10. So you can just find 0.5 ampere. So 0.5 is a right answer of this problem. So which option is correct? Option C is correct. Option C having a right answer of this problem. So future doctor, I want to say one thing, that please try to do practice at your home. Okay, honestly. If you have any query, any problem, you can make a comment below the comment box. I am always ready to help you. Now we will discuss in next video, next questions. That questions also will be important. So try to solve like that question and similar question. Okay, so thank you so much. We will meet in next video with the next question. Okay, thank you so much.